Hello guys, welcome to Silent Trader. Hope you all doing well today and hope you have a good day today in US stock market. So today we are going to review my trading on different stock and I'll give you my thought process, my entry, my exit and we'll go from there. So today everything is not get up or gap down when the market open. If you see a SPY, it closed yesterday at 604 and today is open around the 603. So market is pretty flat today before the open. If you see a SPY, it just break the all-time high and just break to the downside and holding the 50 simple moving average. As well as the Nasdaq too, just holding 50 simple moving average. So today I traded five different stock and I'll give you my thought process what I trade. The first stock I trade is DJT. Let me show trade right here. So I already marked down where I enter and where I exit because it will make more clarify to you where is my entry and where is my exit. So if you see on a 5-minute chart, before the market open, DJT is popped up due to some news. But this kind of stock is just pop and fade to the downside. So I kept watching this, and when I see it not break the 5-minute, it holding on, it break up, pop to the 5-minute on around 7:30, and if you see the next 5-minute candle, it just break and toward the downside. So the first entry I have is on here 34.53 right here 34.53. I take 100 short, 100 share short. I take profit toward the downside right here and right here. So enter at top, take a profit at bottom, and I get stopped out. The rest of the share I get stopped out at the break even right here when it popped to the upside. When I see it not break above this level or it just hold this resistance, I take another short right here 35 and I take a profit toward the downside. I did the same short, take a profit downside, short right here and take profit to the downside. Right here is a 1-minute chart and right here is a 5-minute chart. So if you see like short at the top and take a profit at the bottom and below the VWAP. I I'm thinking to hold, but it's time to the market open, so I don't want to hold any position before the market open because I'm have to watch some other big cap stock as well. So I just close my position right here. The another stock I trade is Nvidia. If you see Nvidia chart, uh, tomorrow, yesterday when the market closed, it popped to the downside, top side, and today when the market opened, before the market opened in a pre-market, it popped to the 132 and just breaking to the downside. And I kept watching this Nvidia stock, and when the market opened, what I did is, I'm see it's a weakness. When I see a first 1-minute candle, I see a doji on the red side, like the lot of seller. I take a short, I take a profit toward the downside. What I do, guys, is I just scalp like quick in and quick out. When I enter, I see a profit, I take the profit and cut. I close my position. That is what that's how I trade. And lots of different people have a different strategy. Like if they short here, it just kept holding their position toward the more downside or the low of the pre-market. But for my strategy, I just take a profit. When I see a profit, I take a profit. So I enter here, I take a profit right here. Then after, what I did is, I see a couple of buyers. So instead of short, I take long at 126, and when it not break and break below my entry, it break below my entry, I take stopped out at 125.68. So I take a small loss right here. Instead I have to hold, but it just break below my entry, so I just take a quick exit. So right here I did the same. I take a long and I take a profit toward the downside. Same on Nvidia, guys. I just kept trading this stock. When I see a good entry, good exit. Yeah, here you see I take entry right here. I take profit toward the VWAP. When it not break the VWAP, I take my profit and close my position. I do the same thing, enter right here, take my profit toward the upside. And the last entry I have is I see it not break this 123.40. So 123.40 is the resistance. So I take short position right here. I not take the profit when it pop. I haven't stopped out because I see a lot of seller on level 2. So what I did, instead of shorting, instead of stop cut the loss, I add another 100 share right here, and I take profit toward the downside. You see right here. So that's how I trade the Nvidia. Have you ever see, guys, you may see on the any video or any picture, any image, or some people talking about like buy low, sell high, or sell high and buy low. So this is what you see on this stock. This stock is very beautiful for me. I made a really good money on MSTR, the Bitcoin stock. What I notice is, it top bottom, like ABCD pattern. So what I did here is short at top, take profit at bottom. Really good trade, really good trade. So I take a short right here, take profit toward the downside. So I'm shorting at top, take a profit at bottom. Right here the same thing. If you see, I short at top, take a profit at bottom. Shorting at top and take a profit at bottom. Guys, nobody show you like you may find so many videos they show you like where I trade and where they exit, but nobody show you with the share size, like what percentage of share they are trading. Depending on the account size, today I trade with very low share because I don't want to overstay my welcome, because I was green when the market opened and I don't want to lose that money, so I'm trading with a very small share. So I take a short right here, take a profit at bottom. Same thing, take a shorting right here and take a profit at bottom. So this is how I trade on MSTR. Another trade I take is VST. So if you all know, VST is popping up at the open. I kept watching this stock in my side chart. When I see weakness, it touched the VWAP, it not break above the 160 or the before the high. So I take a short at 157.59 right here, and I take profit toward the downside. So this is how I trade on VST. Another trade I took on FI. So when during the market hours, it pop up due to some news, but when I check the news, I haven't find anything. There is no news, but it just popped up for no reason. So when I see pop, drop, pop, and it's ready to drop, A, B, C, D pattern, A, B, C, and D. So it's ready for the downward. So I take a short right here. I take profit toward the downside. If you see on a 5 minute, you see this 5 minute candle. If you notice, guys, this is same pattern as the DJT what I trade in the morning. Just look this 5 minute candle pop and ready for the drop. So that's how I trade on DJT early morning right here. This pop and ready for the drop. So in the market, like the stock market, the pattern is always repeat. So you have to remember, the when you trade more, you gain more experience, and that's how you can increase your share size. You know what works for you, what not works for you, and you can manage your share size as well. So that's all, guys. I traded 5 stocks, and this is how I trade. Hope you like this video. And a lot of people talking about trading is very hard, but according to me, trading is not really hard. But the thing you have to do is you have to practice in your stimulation, in your paper money. If you have any questions how you can start your trading journey, or you can feel free to comment, and I give you I can guide you through your journey of the trading, and I help you to figure out what you can trade, how you can start. Also, trading is not about what you can trade, but trading is all about what you cannot trade, what you don't have to trade. What does mean? There is so many opportunities. Some people buy sell right here, but no, This is not the right setup. You have to wait for the proper setup. When you see a proper setup, then after you can enter. If you see my MSTR trade right here today, there's a lot of choppiness. Some people get in, get out, get in. No, that's not the way you have to trade. The way you have to trade, wait for the proper setup. When it come above this resistance at 140, not break 140, take a shot and take a profit towards the downside. So this is how you can trade stock market, and this is how you can make money. Today I made a really good money, so I can't complain. And you see today is a lot of earning. The Mac 7 is earning. So Tesla, when it get earning, break to downside and it's just gapping to the high side, touch the 400 level. Also the Meta has earning and same pop to downside and then after it move. So when the earning release, guys, some algo, they just catch some of the word and then how they traded. This is the algo trading, that I call it. So it popped to downside when the people read the report, everything is good, they pop into the upside. Also the Microsoft has earning and gapping to the downside due to some bad earning. So today is very interesting. I made some good money, and tomorrow, guys, is really going to be interesting because today as Tesla is earning, and as I traded Tesla very actively. Microsoft, Meta also has earning, and we also going to watch Nvidia tomorrow. Let's see what Nvidia are doing today. You see, after market close, Nvidia has popped to the upside. So tomorrow is going to be very interesting in US stock market, and I will upload a video tomorrow as well. What I did from what I'm going to do tomorrow. We'll see what opportunity brings tomorrow in US stock market. And hope you like this video, guys. And if you have any question, feel free to ask your question in a comment box, and we'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.